Mangools offers tiered pricing plans to cater to different SEO needs, from basic users to agencies. Here's a breakdown of their structure. You can use the link in the description to try Mangools for free. The free plan provides a limited set of features for users who want to try out the tool. Entry plan $19.90 per month if billed annually. Ideal for beginners, offering a good starting point for keyword research, rank tracking, and competitor analysis. Basic $29.90 per month if billed annually. Suitable for freelancers and small businesses, with increased limits on searches, tracked keywords, and backlinks. Premium $44.90 per month if billed annually. Designed for agencies and growing businesses, providing even higher limits and additional features like competitor keyword exports. Agency $89.90 per month if billed annually. Made for large agencies with the highest limits and additional features like bulk domain analysis and white labeling. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try Mangools for free.